Hi guys, good evening. Grabe gabi na, pero nagre-release pa rin kami at Sabado ngayon na Take Note Weekend. So, we're here in Dieter Auto Shop at nag-release na naman kami ng 2019 MG RX-5 Automatic. Oh my gosh, from what I remember, wala kaming naging MG. As in, this is our very first time na magkaroon ng MG at ma-release na siya today. So, ano pang hinintay natin? Tanungin natin experience nila sa amin. Halika. Hello po, ma'am and sir. Kamusta po kayo? So all the way from Bulacan guys, bumiyahe para lang madayo kami dito at makuha yung sasakyan. So sir and ma'am, how was your experience with Dieter Auto Shop?
Bilis naman po yung process. And ang mabait po yung
Mabait si Ma'am Chena.
Narinig niya, mabait ako, mabait kami dito. So, katulad nila, yun din ang pwedeng mangyari sa inyo. Do you know guys na employed si sir and approved siya? Kaya sa amin, pwede sa amin ng employed, self-employed, online seller, or any business or any income na meron kayo, basta may proof of income, pwede yun sa amin. We also offer cash, financing, and trade-in. So, ano pang hinihintay niyo? Katulad nila sir, tutulungan namin kayo and we'll surely help you get the car of your choice. Bye-bye!
Gusto mo ba ng sasakyan na swak sa'yo sa Dieter Auto Display? Sigurado